Hey everybody, welcome to ALG, and today I have my next LEGO creation. It's very simple and easy to make, and I'll be doing a tutorial right after it. So I'm just going to show a 360 view. And you can see we have a little gold bar right there. So all we do, we have to slide out the secret black piece. And then see this little hole? We're just gonna stick it in that hole. Then we've got our prize. Well, I think there's a Lego gold bar, but I just use this yellow piece as a gold bar because I don't think I have one. And that's it, everybody. I'll be doing a tutorial right after this. And smash that subscribe button.